Hello kids. Let's learn about daily conversations between a mom and her child. Good morning. Time to wake up. Wash your hands, please. Let's eat breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? Put on your shoes. Don't forget your jacket. It's time to go to school. Have a great day. Welcome back to home. What did you learn today? Did you make any friends? Let's have lunch. Do your homework after lunch. Can you help me with dinner? Time to clean up your room. Let's go outside to play. It is time for snack. Let's read a book together. Time to take a bath. Put your dirty clothes in the basket. Let's pick out your clothes for tomorrow. What do you want for dinner? Time to eat. Do you want dessert? Let's play a game. You did a great job. Please, brush your teeth. Time to get ready for bed. Put on your pajamas. Let's read a story. I love you. Sweet dreams. Good night.